Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 125 of Building the Delorean from Back to the Future. In this issue, we're almost there. We're fitting the last couple of cables and some labels to said cables and some other cables that are already fitted. And we're fitting the reactor to the car. So, yeah, almost there. One more issue of proper building to do, and then some other stuff to improve and make it look better. So, yeah, let's get on with that in a moment. As I can say, cables fitted, labels to cables, labels to hoses, a few labels to be fitted to other things, and then we bring in the car itself and fit the reactor into it. Looking good. I'm going to enjoy doing that bit. Hopefully, it will be easy and no trouble at all. We'll see. No extra stuff today, just looking at Alan Silvestri. If I can remember correctly, yes, he composed the music. There we go. So next issue, yes, 30 years on, looking at Back to the Future now, then, now, then, not now, then, now, no. So yes, the final parts to the vents being fitted now it's in place on the car. And then onwards. So let's bring these parts in, let's get some labels fitted, and then let's get it all assembled. Okay, here we are. We've got the basically completed reactor, except for the optional bits. We've got the new cables, we've got some screws to affix those in place, and we've got the coloured labels, which are quite intriguing. So let's have a look, see what we've got to do. We've got to start off with the shorter of the two cables, which has an angled pin on it. We need a blue sticker. The one blue sticker. And we are fitting this onto the end here. Let's see how that goes on there. Wraps on and wraps around. And there we have it. Blue sticker on the end there. While we're at it, we're going to fit another blue sticker halfway down it. So, if I can just get one more blue sticker, that one will do. Halfway is about there. We'll get that on there and start that wrapping around as well. An end to line up with on this one, so I'll just try and get it wrapped around onto itself. Like so. There we have it. That is that. Then we've got to do some other stuff. But before I do some other stuff, we've got the straight end one, which also needs the two blue things on it. It's on the on the opposite. 3. Wait, I've only got 2. Right, let me read the words more carefully. Find B. 2 blue stickers and a black sticker. There we go. So yeah, black one in the middle, blue one on either end of this one. Get that one on there, like that. Blue around there. And the final blue one, do the same on the other end. Like that. There we go. And then the black one in the middle, or middle-ish. I'm not exactly measuring the middle of any of these, so yeah. Get that wrapped round so that overlaps. Mostly, no, I'm not too happy with that. I shall tidy that up. That this way just a touch. It's a little bit better. I'm happy with that. That's okay. So that's that. Then we need to identify that one. What does that say? Shown yellow. So yellow around this. in the middle of that hose. It's come off the end there. That's the one that I had trouble attaching, so I shall get that reattached momentarily as well. Easier to put that on with it not being attached though. So there we go, that's that one. And then we've got this one needs red, because I've only got red and white left. Red is again going on the middle-ish of that one. I wonder why they didn't make these coloured to begin with, or I don't know why. There we go, that's that one around there. What else have we got to do? I need another red one and another red one on the car. So first of all, this short one here has a red and a white. Red is closer to the body. Get that one on there. Round like that. And then a white one. White touching it. Next to it about there will be fine. That around there. So it's more grey than white, I would have thought, but no, it's whitish. There we go. That all the way around there as well. The end stuck down. So there we have that. Then red one there. I've got a white one left over. Did I miss a white one going on something? Let me double back. There's white on there as well. Yellow sticker around there. Oh, there's white one on that one as well. There we go. Blue and white on this one. That way round, and that one's there. Cool. There we have it. Right, the red needs to go on the car. So I shall do that momentarily when I bring in the car. But first of all, I've got to get these attached. There's 4 screws for each of these. Let's get one side starting to be attached, and then we'll go from there. So this short one goes on this side. It basically just goes in there over the top of that bit that looks like it's exploding and leaking. There we go. So we've got 4 screws to put that in place, as well as the 2 pins. Like so. And then that one attaches much the same on the other side. So I'll get that attached, and then I'll bring in the car. Right, it's been a while, but we've got the car back now. We've got one more sticker to put onto the tube around here. I've just unplugged it to make it easier. There we go. That's the last red one in place around there. That will be fine. Then that goes back in on there, like so. I forgot to reattach the tube, so I should do that afterwards. But we've got to plug it in. Let's get it plugged in. Then we can test it and make sure it all works. say all works. I mean, we know most of it works. There we go. So now we've got to somehow get that wire out of the way. This is going to go back in there. A bit like it just sits there like that. That's all right. That does the job. So I need to get that wire a bit more out of the way. And then we need to plug in all of these things. What have we got? We've got this one that goes into the back wall there. Plug in that. Right, let's just double check. Put the reactor into place. Right, yeah, so that cable goes into the middle. That one goes over there. That one doubles back over next to it up there as well. I'm going to have to rearrange things so I can see exactly where they're going. The middle one needs to plug in, and this one needs to plug in over the other side. So let me get that get these plugged in where they should go, and then we'll see about turning it on and seeing if the light lights up. And there we go, except for this one that I can't quite see to get plugged in, but I'll work on that. The rest of it's all connected up, and the little light comes on. It's not very bright, as I was expecting it not to be, because this is, again, another one of the EL cables. But, yeah, it does come on a little bit. In the dark, I'm sure it's going to be better. But there we have it. I shall turn all of the lights off and put it away. But next time, we're fitting the final bits to the back vents. So I shall see you very soon for that. But for now, thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye-bye for now.